All right, guys, let's go over the things we need to talk about today. Let's just get right into it. Remember, there's no photography Zoom class next Monday or Tuesday, so you still have work to do. We're going to go over that here in just a second. In-person school starts. I was supposed to say Monday, November 2nd, but now it starts someday. I don't know a ton of details, but I do want to answer your questions if you have any. So wait till the end of the video, and then we'll talk about them. And then join our photo class. Remind if you haven't. Photo 1-2. A lot of you have not joined yet. So if you can, take out your phones right now and send a text to the text should be sent to 81010, and the message should be at KA686H. So I'm going to leave this up for 30 seconds for everybody that still needs to do that. Go. Okay, hopefully that was enough time for everybody. Let's see. This week's assignments, things you have due this week. You have the Robert Capa Ed Puzzle, the Rule of Thirds Ed Puzzle, and then the See the World Differently assignment. Let's take a quick peek at those. Robert Capa Ed Puzzle. Some of you have turned it in. Don't forget to turn in your screenshots of that. If you want credit for it, I need a screenshot of your score. Some of you are submitting screenshots of like that you finished it, but there's that last button you have to click on to see your results, to see your score. So make sure you click on that first. Okay, same with the Rule of Thirds Ed Puzzle. Make sure you give me a score on that one. And make sure you do this because you're going to need to know the Rule of Thirds for our assignment for next week. And then lastly, we're going to turn in the See the World Differently assignment. Everything you need is here in the video, even if you're having a hard time figuring out how to upload or turn in your photo on Schoology, which I've had a few requests for this video. So there you go. Everything you need. This is the one you're going to want to watch, though. This is the big one about how to turn it in. And when you are done, I'm going to pull up Justin's. Hope that's okay, because he did such a phenomenal job. I wanted to show his off. Look at how awesome this looks. His letters look good. And just in a quick glance, everything is in nice and tight. Maybe could have got a little closer on that end, but that's really being nitpicky. And then BROWN. Everything is well edited and looks good. I love the editing. I love his background. I love that he added his text right there like he was supposed to. He did everything right. He gets a 50 out of 50. Easy, not even a question. I didn't even have to hesitate. Even though it wasn't perfect, like could have got a little bit closer on a couple, but look at his lighting too. His lighting on all of his photos is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Nice job, Justin. Well done, man. So I'm not going to look at any more than that one. I just wanted to show you that one so you can see how well done it was and basically what your finished work should look like. So thank you, Justin. Well done, man. All right. Oh, go away. Next week, you have a Rule of Thirds assignment, which is why I said make sure you do the Rule of Thirds Ed Puzzle. And we got to do a little quiz, a little review quiz. I really only wanted you to do this assignment next week, but it just felt weird to only give you one thing to do. So I made up a quiz that kind of just reviews a little bit of everything we've learned so far. It's not hard. In fact, you can take it as many times as you want. You won't ever get to see the correct answers, but you can take it as many times as you want. So let's go in. Here's the Rule of Thirds assignment. It's not 100% completed right now, but by the time this class starts, or this assignment goes live, there will be sample photos here, I promise. So, but basically, you're going to take 6 photos, and the instructions are right here on exactly what you're going to do. And then here's the review of everything quiz. These are both due Saturday, October 31st. Let's finish up the month strong, and these will both be available. You see that they're not published yet. They'll be available first thing tomorrow morning. Friday morning is when you'll be able to access these so you can get started on them. Okay, that's it. I'm going to turn off the video. And if you have any questions about anything, let's talk about it. Thanks, guys.